Welcome to Warm Hearts. A warm welcome to you. I try to put up very short and sweet videos that represent, nature and connecting you to it, and also keeping strong and positive is my forte, because these are very trying times that we live in. It's, there's uncertain and there's a lot of difficulty, and we've experienced a lot of senseless hatred and racism issues, and there's environmental issues in the world. Also, there's been massive shootings and everything else. We need to step aside and really think deeply about where we're headed in this world, because there's a lot of issues to sort out. I think it's important to step outside to nature and, have solitude in your life and find a quiet, peaceful place to walk and just exercise daily, to incorporate that in your routines. It's so important because nature provides so many benefits to us, and it just is very consoling, and especially if we're processing grief and whatever else we're going through in our lives. So it's nice to just get some fresh air, get out and enjoy the spring. Inner child in me just wants to come out and jump in the mud and explore the beautiful nature, because it's such a nice day. The sun is shining, and I really encourage all of you to get out there and set aside the things in your life to just embrace and love nature, all of it, because it's so great and you can find hidden treasures there. And especially in these times, it's so nice to get out and explore and just spend time to block out all of the noise, because it gets hectic in our lives, and there's, whether it's family or personal things you're dealing with, or even mental issues, everything comes up in this world. So take time for yourself, really have that gratitude for life, but also for you, spend time to just do the self-care stuff, because we need to take care of ourselves. Otherwise, things just get too much in life, and so sometimes we just have to get out. just spend time outdoors because the weather is sweet, and it's time that we should all encourage each other and get out and join the society after this pandemic has taken a lot from us. It really has, and there's so much has been going on in the last year. But I think we should persevere and come up with goals and daily routines that can help us exercise and incorporate all that good stuff, because life is short. So we need to love it, enjoy it, and take a deep breath.
Hello everybody. So winter's better than summer because in the winter you can wear jackets, but in the summer you can't.
Winter baby, so you like that.
No, and also it's too hot. You get all sweaty. Look, you look sweaty right now.
I love the heat, and I love it. I can't get enough of the sun. I want to go to the beach. I want to go explore the parks. I want to get out. And I think that now that I've had this vaccine, I can just like relax. And I know it's a personal choice, but I think it's a good, smart choice because we're looking out for other people. So
I mean, well, it's not a personal choice because you're gonna have to get a vaccine to go places anyways. Like to go on the plane and stuff, you need a vaccine. So if you don't want to get a vaccine, then you can't go anywhere. Sorry, you'll be stuck at home.
Yeah, you'll have to wear a mask outside.
Losers. Okay, so bye.